Welcome to Imran.Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Ful Medames recipe. So Ful Medammes is made out of fava beans and it's a very popular breakfast item in the Middle East, and different countries have different ways of making this. So it's very popular in Egypt, Jordan, Palestine, Saudi Arabia, and many other Middle Eastern countries. And it's highly nutritious and a really hearty breakfast item, and absolutely delicious, scrumptious with pita bread. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this Ful Medammes recipe. I tried this out and it's wonderful. It's really good. You will certainly enjoy this, especially if you have an appreciation for dishes that comes from that part of the world, that comes from the Middle East, which is definitely one of my favorite top 3 cuisines in the world, that region or that part of the world. So with that said, do like this video. Especially if you've derived some value, do hit the like button, which is beneath this video, and also hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. Once you hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell icon. Hit on that bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases. We have over 250 videos on our channel already. So if you're new here, do go ahead and binge watch. If you haven't watched those videos already and you're subscribed, again, do go ahead and binge watch. We have various different playlists, from chicken dishes, meat dishes, vegetarian dishes, beverages, superfoods, desserts, all of that stuff. So you have something to cater you. The question of the day is, what is your favorite breakfast item? Let us know. So maybe we might be able to fulfill someone's request. So with that said, catch you in the next one.